everyone. In this class, we are going to begin with the chapter alcohols, phenols and ethers. So let us first understand what alcohol, phenols and ethers are. So beginning with alcohol. Alcohols and phenols, both of them have hydroxyl group, that is OH group, but the way it is attached to the carbon atom is different. So in case of alcohol, say this is a carbon atom, and this is our hydroxyl group, OH. So the carbon atom to which OH is attached, this is the carbon atom to which OH is attached. So this carbon atom is a saturated carbon atom. This is a saturated carbon atom. So the organic compounds in which OH group, that is hydroxyl group, is attached to saturated carbon atoms, such compounds are called as alcohols. Now let us go to phenols. In case of phenols also we have hydroxyl, that is OH group, but this OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom of benzene ring. So say for example this. So this is our benzene ring C6H6, and to this benzene ring, say for example, one of the hydrogen from this carbon atom is replaced by OH group. So here also we have OH. But what is the difference between both of them? Here OH is attached to the saturated carbon atom. So you can see this is nothing but there will be an open chain carbon structure. यहाँ पे carbon 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 and it will be open chain carbon structure, and this particular carbon atom is saturated carbon and all the bonds around this carbon are single bonds. But in case of phenol, the OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom of aromatic compound. Okay, so such compounds are called as phenols, where OH is directly attached to carbon atom of benzene ring or any other aromatic compound. Now, I will write one more example here. And just think which type of organic compound is this? Is this an alcohol or this is a phenol? This will be an alcohol. क्यों? Because you can see the benzene ring over here. Benzene ring तो है, but ये OH group directly ये वाले कार्बन के साथ attached है क्या? नहीं. OH is not directly attached to the benzene ring, but it is present in the side chain. ये पूरा क्या है? ये है side chain. Okay, and OH group is present in the side chain of benzene ring or side chain of aromatic compound, where OH कौन से कार्बन के साथ attached है? ये वाले कार्बन के साथ attached है, and this carbon is nothing but a saturated carbon. This carbon is saturated carbon, so therefore we call such type of structures as aromatic alcohols. So try to understand the difference between the regular alcohol. Both of them are alcohol, दोनों भी alcohol है, but this is a special category of alcohol where we call it as aromatic alcohol. जहाँ पे benzene ring तो है, aromatic compound तो है, but OH group benzene ring के साथ directly attached नहीं है. It is the OH group is present in the side chain. It is present in the side chain of aromatic compound. And in case of phenol, OH is directly attached to carbon. Now let us go to the third part, that is ethers. So case of ethers, oxygen will be bonded to two different groups. So oxygen, say let us at the center, okay, the geometry will be bent, but as of now let us consider that oxygen is at the center. And this oxygen is attached to two different groups or maybe the same group. So पहला category क्या आएगा? Oxygen is attached to both the alkyl groups, and alkyl group is represented by letter R, capital letter R. Okay, I hope you remember what are alkyl groups. Alkyl group क्या होता है? कोई भी अल्केन में से एक हाइड्रोजन अगर रिमूव कर दिया, say for example this is methane, and if you remove one hydrogen from methane, say if I remove this hydrogen from methane, अब मेरे पास क्या बचेगा? CH3 dash, and this will be called as methyl group. So alkyl group is a group where one of the hydrogen from alkane is removed. So ऐसा वाला एक alkyl group ऑक्सीजन के एक साइड में भी है and दूसरे साइड में भी है. So here both the groups attached are alkyl groups. Then there could be aryl groups on both the sides. So that means here will be say one aromatic compound, one benzene ring on this side, one benzene ring on other side. So oxygen is attached to both aryl groups. So one aryl group here and one aryl group here. So oxygen is attached to both aryl groups or aromatic compounds. या फिर क्या हो सकता है? One will be alkyl group, another will be aryl group. So say oxygen is attached to one alkyl group and second group will be aryl group. Say for example benzene ring, there could be benzene ring also. So this is aryl group. So such compounds are called as ethers. So to understand this better, let us take one example of each type. Okay, so ये पहला क्या है? दोनों भी alkyl groups है. So say oxygen is at the center. On one side of the oxygen, CH3 group, that is methyl group is present, and say on other side C2H5, that is ethyl group is present. ओके ऐसा हो सकता है या फिर कैसा हो सकता है? ऑक्सीजन इज एट द सेंटर, उसके एक साइड पे अराइल ग्रुप है, मतलब क्या है? बेंजीन रिंग है, एंड दूसरे साइड पे भी बेंजीन रिंग है. सो बोथ द ग्रुप्स अटैच्ड टू ऑक्सीजन आर एरोमेटिक रिंग्स या फिर बेंजीन रिंग्स. या फिर कैसे हो सकता है? ऑक्सीजन इज एट द सेंटर, उसके एक साइड पे अल्काइल ग्रुप है, दैट इज अभी के लिए एग्जांपल लेते हैं CH3. सो CH3 है एंड यहाँ पे अराइल ग्रुप मतलब क्या? बेंजीन. So such kind of compounds, organic compounds, will be called as ether, where oxygen is bonded to either two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl group and one aryl group. Such organic compounds are ethers. So this was the basic structure of alcohol, phenol and ether. Now we will learn about classification of alcohol, phenols and ether.